So this is going to be my first ever introduction into minis. So yeah, let's open the box. Yeah, I just figured it's easier than giving my whole address away. I'll just cut that open. So, alright, but the lady who did it, I like this wrapping around it, around the actual package. It's very nice. So, kudos to that. And handy dandy blade of bladiness. I actually don't know what kind of box they put it in. Okay. USPS. I'm so excited. I just can't hide it. I actually am. I've been forcibly not looking at this since I picked it up, just because I had some work to get done. And now I'm at a kind of stopping point, and I'm definitely about to check this out before I leave. Oh man, they packed it good. Jeez. Let's see. So this is Star Wars Legion stuff. And this is a Republic AT-RT. So that'll be cool. This is actually my first ever sealed box of any of this type of stuff. So that'd be fun to like take apart and try to put that together. Let's see what all this stuff is. Oh, I had no idea these cards were so tiny. It's pretty cool. I've been trying to learn how to play it, watching online, but battle meditation. Huh. Steam cleaner. Oh, it's like a little like Obi-Wan card. Okay. And I guess these are the things you can use to figure out how far you can shoot and what direction, or not what direction, but what distance your guys can move. And these are, I think, the bases that I can glue them onto. Some of them are already kind of textured. Kind of cool. Oh yeah, tabletop game wouldn't be complete without dice. Look at that. Man, there's a lot of different dice. And more cards. I don't know why I love the idea that this game has like cards that you can use. It's pretty sweet. And these are the tokens, is what it looks like. Or something. I don't know. But here are all the little clone guys that I got with it. So the only other thing I need to get is, I think I need to get my own commander, because I don't think that this came with it. But that should be easy enough, right? Sweet.